Everyone, moving on to the next question on limits. Okay, the next question is limit x tend to 0 of 1 by 10 1 minus e to the power iota 5x divided by 1 minus e to the power minus iota x. Okay, so in order to do this question, okay, what we will do is we will convert this into the cos trigonometric form. Okay, so what we will do is this is nothing but equal to limit x tends to 0. Okay, 1 by 10 1 minus cos 5x minus iota sin 5x. Okay, divided by 1 minus cos x minus iota sin x. Sorry, this will be minus excuse me, iota sin x. So this will be equal to limit 1 by 10 into limit x tends to 0. We'll open the brackets, 1 minus cos 5x plus iota sin 5x divided by 1 minus cos x plus iota sin x. Okay, so after this the next step will be is equal to 1 by 10 limit x tends to 0. So 1 minus cos 5x plus iota sin 5x by 1 minus cos x plus iota sin x. If you check this, it is 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we will apply L'Hopital rule. So we will differentiate. So this will be 5 sin 5x, okay, and plus 5 iota cos x by sin x plus iota cos x. So now we put the value of x here. So what we will get is 1 by 10 into 0 plus 5 iota divided by 0 plus iota. So the final answer is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so now we will move on to the next question. Next question is limit x tends to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x divided by x minus pi by 4. It is nothing but limit x tends to infinity. Okay, before we do that, we have to see whether it is 0 by 0 or not. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so minus 1 by root 2 divided by pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So it is equal to 0 by 0 form. So we will use L'Hopital's rule. So we will differentiate numerator as well as denominator. Cos x will become minus sin x and minus sin x will become minus cos x. And here we will get 1. Right. So we will put the values here. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is nothing but minus of root 2. Right. So this is our final answer. Okay. So after this, our next question is, okay, limit. I hope you can see. Okay, no issues. We will just take to the next page. Next question is, okay, limit x tends to 0 e to the power 2x minus 1 by sin 4x. Okay, so how to solve this? So if you see, this is also 0 by 0 form. So what we will do, we will do differentiation on both numerator and denominator. So e to the power 2x, if we differentiate, we will get 2 e to the power 2x, and this will be 4 cos 4x. So 2 and 4 cutting, we will get 1 by 2. So if we put x here, we will get 1 by 2 as the answer. Okay, a simple question. So the next question is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into e to the power x. Okay, so this is also 0 by 0 form. No, not exactly 0 by 0 form if you use the traditional limits. So what we will do, we will just divide it into two parts. Okay, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 1 by e to the power x. it is nothing but 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So here it's not necessary for you to use the L'Hospital rule. Okay, next question is limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 plus x square by 2 divided by x cube. Okay, so here what you need to do is here you have to see whether it is L'Hospital or not. 1 minus 1 plus 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we have to use the L'Hospital rule, limit x tend to 0. Okay, e to the power x minus 1 minus x square by 2. If you differentiate, you will get x, and if you differentiate x cube, you will get 3x square. Again it is 0 by 0 form, so we can apply L'Hospital again. Okay, so limit x tends to 0 e to the power x, and this will become minus 1 by 6x. So if you know if you see here, this is again 0 by 0 form, so again you can apply L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, you will get e to the power x by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 6. So this is your final answer. Okay, next question is limit of alpha tend to 0 x to the power alpha minus 1 by alpha. Okay, so this is nothing but if you see here, alpha is a variable and x is the constant, so it is nothing but e to the power x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0. So this is nothing but e to the power x log a. So here we will get x to the power alpha log x. So, and since alpha tends to 0, so we will get only log x as the answer. So this is a good question. It confuses a lot of students. Okay, so please keep this question in mind. The next question is limit x tends to infinity x tan of 1 by x. Okay, so whenever these questions are there, 1 by x, what you do, simply limit of, we can change the variable to 1 by x. So 1 by x tends to 0, since x tends to infinity, so 1 by x tends to 0, tan of 1 by x divided by 1 by x, because multiply by x can be written as divided by 1 by x, you will get your answer as 1. Okay, because it is similar to tan x by x. Okay, so next question is limit x tends to 0 x log of sin x. Okay, so here it is nothing but it's like 0 into infinity form. So what we will do, first we will convert it into infinity by infinity form. Limit x tends to 0. How to convert that? Log sin x divided by 1 by x. Now we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, so what we will do in the next step, we will differentiate numerator. So what we will get, 1 by sin x into d by dx of sin x is nothing but cos x. Okay, cos x. And 1 by x differentiation, if you do, it will get minus 1 by x square. So if you simplify this, you will get limit x tends to 0 minus of x square into cos x divided by sin x. This is also 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we can apply L'Hospital again. Limit x tends to 0. Okay, so we will get limit x tends to 0. Otherwise what we can do is, instead of applying L'Hospital, what we will do is minus x into cos x, okay, into x by sin x. Now you can see this will be equal to 1, because this is nothing but a reciprocal of sin x by x, where limit x tends to 0. So the final answer will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be 1. 0 into 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this was the question. The next question is just 2 more questions, and then we will go on to the next case. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by x square. Okay, this is nothing but 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we will do L'Hospital. Limit x tends to 0, we will get here sin x, we will get here 2x. Sin x by x is equal to 1 when limit x tends to 0, so final answer is 1 by 2. Okay, and the final question The final question is limit x tends to 0 log sin x to the power x. Okay, so how to solve this question? You see, 0 to the power 0. So what we will do, we will take the log outside. This is one property that we can use. If there is a log, okay, then we can take the limit inside. Okay, this will be sin x to the power x. Okay, so after this we will get, it is nothing but limit log of sin x to the power x 0 to the power 0. Now 0 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So log of 1 we will get. So answer finally is 0. Okay.